everyone, welcome to DIY Blinds. My name is Karina and today I'm going to show you how to order free samples. Log into our website first, DIYeasyblinds.com, and click on free samples. When you scroll down, you'll see our 4 products: Blackout Shades, Cordless Faux Wood, Roller Shades, and Zebra Shades. So let's start with Blackouts. Pick a solid color. Looking for something gray, so you can see this shopping cart and the magnifying lens. The magnifying lens will zoom in the product and show you the texture. I added it to cart and I'm going to order more. Brings you back to the main page in case you want to order a different product sample, like faux wood. We have that in white only. Add to the shopping cart. I'm going to order more, and what we added this time around was video of the swatches. In case this is too flat to choose a swatch, you can now watch a video, and it shows the texture, the opacity of the fabric, and we do that for roller and zebra as well, and the name of the fabric. Can get a better idea of what you're ordering. Here's the roller video, live swatches, our 1% collection. I'm gonna order a 5%. Again, I'm looking for something gray. So now we have 3 products in the cart. I'm going to continue to order more. Zebra, gray, Eclipse Cloud. I have 4 products in the cart, and we give you up to 10 for free. So you can continue to order. I'm going to order now, and it prompts me to enter my shipping information. So don't forget to do that and click add at the bottom, and then you can place your order. That's it. I hope this helped, and I hope you order swatches soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.